Hello students, this video helps you to learn the first topic from the subject OEC 552 Soft Computing. This lecture deals with Introduction to Soft Computing from the Unit 1. Objective of this course, student can made to classify various soft computing framework. They will be familiar with designing neural network, fuzzy logic, fuzzy systems. They will learn the mathematical background of our optimized genetic programming. The student will be exposed to neuro-fuzzy hybrid system and its application. Outcome expected from the student side at the end of the course. Apply various soft computing concepts for practical application. They can choose and design the suitable neural network for real-time problem. They can design the fuzzy system, write the fuzzy rules and develop their decision making and expert system by using fuzzy logic. They can explain the optimization technique and genetic programming. They have the wide review over the various soft computing hybrid techniques and apply them in real world problem. This is a unit 1, deals with 4 components. First component talking about the difference from hard computing to the soft computing and conventional AI to the computational AI. Second topic talking about the artificial neural network. We study the biological neural network and characteristics of them and what are the learning methods are available for ANN, how the neural networks are evolved, what are the basic models and parameters activation used for the artificial neural network. So, third component of this first unit deals with the fuzzy logic, how it is differed from the CRISP set and what are the CRISP relations, what are the operations we can perform over this fuzzy relations and what are the operations we can perform over the fuzzy set. And fourth component, last component of the first unit deals with the genetic algorithm. Introduction to genetic algorithm, what is the biological background for this genetic algorithm, how the traditional optimization and searching techniques are differed from the genetic algorithm, what are the genetic basic concepts. First, what is hard computing? Hard computing is a conventional computing, requires precisely stated analytical model. Not only analytical model, precisely stated data also. So, we need a lot of computational time. Many analytical models are valid for ideal cases. But real world problem exists in the world is not a non-ideal environment. What is hard computing? We study the data structure, OOPS, programming in C, Python or algorithm. Everything deals with the hard computing. It requires program to be written, uses the binary logic zeros and 1. It can deal with exact data, it allows a sequential computing, it gives exact answer for the input, it needs accuracy and also it is known as the conventional AI. What is soft computing? It can be evolved its own program and it uses the fuzzy logic, it can deal with noisy data also, it allows the parallel computing, it can give the approximate answer, it needs a robustness and also it is known as the computational intelligence. Then what is soft computing? It is a process of exploiting the tolerance for imprecision, uncertainty and partial truth to achieve tractability, robustness and low solution cost and better rapport with the reality. Soft computing is a use of approximate calculation to provide imprecise but usable solution to complex computational problem. Actually, soft computing involves with several fields. The most important fields are neural network, genetic algorithm and fuzzy logic. You can see the neural networks take the similarity of the brain neurons, human brain neurons, try to simulate them in computer system. Second one, take the pool of computer programs. From that you choose the best group, that I call as selection. After that, changing the property of these two things and generating a new solution, that I call as a new generation. For example, one program deals with the lowest memory, another program deals with the lowest time period, taking two things and merge together to produce the best solution with lowest time and lowest memory. Last one deals with the logic. So, instead of using the binary logic, yes, no, true, false, 1, 0, why can't we divide the logic into group of logic called a fuzzy logic? Extremely honest, very honest, sometimes honest, extremely dishonest, in that way. First, we see the soft computing fundamentals. Soft computing deals with the approximate model to give the solution for complex problem. Actually, the name was coined by the Professor Zada. he only coined that soft computing term. That ultimate goal to emulate the human mind, it is a combination of genetic algorithm, neural network and fuzzy logic. Here you can see the soft computing is based on the probability model, multi-valued fuzzy logic, neural network and evolutionary algorithm. So it called as approximate reasoning. You check the hard computing deals with the precise model where you need an accurate solution that can be achieved. So neural networks were inspired by the design and functioning of the human brain. This is the neural structure of a biological neuron. Information processing that is inspired by the way biological neural system, the brain processes the information. This is called as a soma. The informations are gathered through these dendrites and processed information will be passed through the axon and synapses will carry the information. Same thing is simulated in the neural network called as artificial neural network, ANN. This is a large collection of neurons highly interconnected. So each circle is a neuron. These links are highly interconnected links. So now we have three layers: input layer, hidden layer, output layer. Hidden layer contains two layers, layer 1, layer 2. So it is configured for the special applications such as pattern recognition, data classification through the learning process. There are so many multidisciplinary points for a neural network. Neural networks deals with mathematical problems, physics, engineering, image processing, economics, philosophy, linguistics, cognitive, neurobiology, computer science. There are so many applications for the neural network. Air traffic controller, animal behavior, appraisal, or betting on horse races, criminal sentencing, complex physical and chemical process, data mining, echo pattern, economic modeling, employee hiring, expert consultancy, in the fraud detection, handwritten and typewriter writing, not only handwritten, face recognition also, lake water levels, machinery controls, medical diagnosis, even in music compositions, photos and fingerprints, recipes and chemical formulation, traffic flows and weather prediction. Next component is fuzzy logic. The professors who coined the soft computing, same Professor Zada coined the fuzzy logic also. He was a professor at the University of California. An organized method for dealing with the imprecise data. Fuzzy logic includes the zeros and one as the extreme cases of truth, but also includes the various states of a truth in between the 0 to 1. For example, instead of telling the comparison of two things, one is a tall, another one is a short, why can't we use the term called 0.38% of the tallness? So it allows the partial membership. It can be implemented in small embedded microcontroller to the large networked multi-channel PCs or workstation. It can be implemented in hardware, software or both. So you can see here the person telling that I am tall. So who is shorter than the taller person, she will accept that one. But who is taller than the person who is telling I am tall, he won't accept. So instead of telling he is a tall, this is a fuzzy term. I can define 0.8% of the tallness. Next one is a genetic algorithm. How the genes of a parents combine together to form a new child. Same thing we are going to try to implement in our computer system also. So we create the initial population of the individuals representing the solution. So it will generate the optimum solution because already we have a pool of solution here as a population. From that, individual characters determine whether they are less or more fit to the population. Most fitted population will be selected. After that, they are going for a crossover, and you need a small changes you can do by using mutation. From that, you will get the best solution. So finding optimal or near optimal solution is possible only using the genetic algorithm. Otherwise, it is called as evolutionary algorithm. It follows the generate and test strategy, differ from your normal optimization. Last topic of this first lecture, hybrid system. So hybrid talking about combination of these three techniques: genetic algorithm, neural network and fuzzy logic. There are three famous type of a hybrid system. One is neurofuzzy, another one is neurogenetic, last one is a fuzzy genetic. So combination of fuzzy logic as well as neural network gives me the promised output while comparing to the single technique called neural network or fuzzy logic. Fuzzy system deals with explicit knowledge that can be explained and understood. Neural networks deals with implicit knowledge acquired by the learning. Advantages are, so you can handle any kind of information, manage the imprecise, partial, vague or imperfect information. resolves the conflict. So it will give the self-learning, self-organizing, self-tuning capability, no need for the prior knowledge, and it will mimic the human decision-making process. So next technique, what is called the neuron genetic hybrid system, combination of neural network with the genetic algorithm. So topology optimization, select a topology based on the neural network, common one is back propagation. After that, you are going to feed that input to the genetic algorithm based on the weight optimization, and usually we'll use the mean squared error as the fitness measure, and after that I will going to improve my algorithm to produce the optimized result. Last hybrid systems are fuzzy genetic hybrid system, creating the classification rules for the fuzzy system where the objects are classified. After that, you are going to feed the fuzzy generated output, fuzzy system output to the genetic algorithm. So summary of this unit, first lecture. So we seen soft computing, what is the difference from the hard computing to the soft computing. Soft computing is a framework. It contains the technique called neural network, fuzzy logic and genetic algorithm. So we started deals with what is neural network, simulating the human brain, neural structure to the computer system. We call that as the neural networks. The synapses connecting the brain neurons. Here we are using the weighted interconnection between the neurons. Neurons may be input as well as output or processing neurons. Next one is a fuzzy logic. Instead of deals with the crisp logic, which tells about only two valued logic, binary logic of zeros and one, we divide the entire logic to support the partial membership. That I call as the fuzzy logic. Based on the fuzzy logic, you can develop the fuzzy system. Next topic deals with the evolutionary algorithm. In order to produce the optimum solution, optimized solution, take the pool of solutions, select the best solution from the group based on the fitness value. After selecting them, you apply the crossover. Later, you apply the mutation in order to get the optimized solution. And last technique of the soft computing, instead of taking each one as a separate individual technique, why can't you combine any two to produce a hybrid system? There are three hybrid systems. One is neural fuzzy system. Second one is neurogenetic. Last one is fuzzy genetic. Thank you, students.